Economic Disparities Faced by Single Mothers in America by Jamie Lavoie, Chris Fisher, and Courtney for HDF 318G. Once largely limited to poor women and minorities, single motherhood is now becoming the new norm. There has been an increase of children born outside of marriage. About 4 out of 10 children were born to unwed mothers. Nearly 2/3 are born to mothers under the age of 30. Demographers estimate that half of all children will live with a single mother at some point before the age of 18. For single parents, families, 84% are single mother families, while only 16% are single father families. Different demographics relating to single mothers. 70% of all Black children today are born to an unmarried mom, a threefold increase since 1960. Black children today are about twice as likely as the national average to live with an unmarried mother. A third of all unintended pregnancies are unmarried women in their 20s. About 60% ended in birth. Black and Hispanic women have the highest teen pregnancy rates, 184 per 1,000 women, aged 15 to 19. White women have the lowest rates, with 38 pregnancies per 1,000. In 2013, 15% of the 1.6 million children born to unmarried partners in the U.S. were to teenagers under the age of 20. About 2/3 of single mothers work outside the home, which is slightly greater than the number of married mothers who are working outside the home. 23.2% are jobless the entire year, and only 22.4% of them receive unemployment benefits. Single mothers' income is much lower than married mothers, making the gap between the two mothers significantly large. The median income for families led by a single mother in 2013 was only 1/3 of the median for married coupled families. Single mothers estimated to be earning about $26,000 and married couples about $84,000. Out of more than 10 million low-income working families with children, 4.1 million of the homes were headed by single working mothers. Single mothers face many hardships, many having to do with food insecurity. 34.4% of single mothers were food insecure. 2/5 of all single mothers receive food stamps. Among children with single mothers, 45% get food stamps and 55% don't. 13% of single mothers used food pantries. Although 2/5 of all single mothers are poor, only 1/10 of all single mothers receive TANF cash assistance. The Affordable Care Act will give more low-income single mothers access to health insurance, but nearly half of all the families reside in states that have declined to expand their Medicaid programs. On average, center-based infant care costs single mothers $11,666 annually. Massachusetts is the least affordable state for single mothers in the country. Average annual cost for center-based infant care is $17,062. This cost accounts for 62.8% of the average single mother's income. Nationally, the annual cost of a center-based infant averaged over 40% of the state median income for a single mother, about 32% for a school-aged child. In 2013, 19 states had wait lists or had frozen their intake for children care assistance. The wait time was ranging from 90 days to 2 years. There are approximately 2 million single mother students in the United States. Most require financial aid to fund their education. Pre-existing financial burdens include house payments, car payments, and a variety of parenting experiences. 61.2% of single mothers receive automatic zero in expected family contribution on FAFSA. A number of grants are available to single mothers to make education more accessible. Some of these grants include Education Support Award, Federal Supplement Educational Opportunity Grant, Federal Pell Grant Program, Calbert Grant Program, Women's Opportunity Award.